Hello friends, today I am going to share with you online data entry jobs with no experience required. So before starting video, I will suggest you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos. So today I am going to share a legitimate website for online data entry jobs. I have always seen a lot of scam in online data entry job or typing jobs. Many scam regarding online data entry jobs. It is quite evident that the data entry or typing jobs are hard to get and many people looks for them. Especially they are the most wanted jobs for everybody working from home. They seems to be the easiest option to work from home for many. However, it is possible to find a legitimate typing opportunity online, though they are less and they might not be very high paying ones. Here are some websites offer the data entry from home. One thing you might want to remember is the pay for this is fairly low when compared to other online work options. Some of them are entry level and some need experience. But today I am going to share with you no experience required data entry jobs. Dion Data Solution is determined to meet head on the challenges facing individuals and families in the workforce. The increased need for the present to be at home. The requirement are must type at least 60 words per hour minute with accuracy. Second, computer skill including internet, email, attachment, downloading, uploading files. Third, the candidate will ensure the project stay on schedule with the ability to manage the multiple project simulator. Fourth, relies on experience and judgment to plan and accomplish assigned goals. Fifth, ability to work independently with minimal supervision. Sixth, excellent verbal and written communication skill. So next, you need equipment requirements from listing. Home desktop computer, dual monitor computer and plus computer running Windows XP and higher, Windows 10, Windows 8 like this. Knowledge and experience with Windows virtual machine, a plus stable internet connection, cable or hotspot.